Many people want to change their posture because it makes them look old. We have some really popular videos on our channel to show you how to change your posture. But what about the neck fat? What about that double chin? You're going to want to stay tuned to this video because I'm going to show you how you can start to lose that neck fat or double chin. So I'm not going to promise you an instant fix for a double chin or neck fat. I know you're smart enough to know the only way for that would be cosmetic surgery. I'm going to assume because you're here, you don't want that. So I am going to show you how to lose that extra fat underneath your face. Before I show you my 3 best exercises to lose that double chin, there are a couple things that need to be said. It is very difficult to spot reduce fat anywhere in your body. Oftentimes people want to lose fat in the back of their arms, around their belly, under their neck, on the back of their neck. It is difficult, and some would say impossible. But with the information I'm going to share with you, I think you might be pleasantly surprised to see your neck look younger and smaller if you follow the advice in this video. One of the most obvious things people need to do is lose weight. So how do you do that? You need to run a calorie deficit lifestyle. And what that means is you need to burn more calories than you consume on a daily basis over a period of time in order for you to lose body weight and body fat. And there are a few ways to do this. We can consume less food or we can exercise more. One thing is certain, you cannot out-exercise a bad diet or a high-calorie diet. It's virtually impossible to eat as much you want and out-exercise or exercise those calories off. We know that it's much easier to put weight on than it is to take it off. The second thing, and probably equally obvious, is you need to move more. That can be in the form of any type of exercise that helps burn calories each day. There are 2 easy ways to do that. One, set a goal for the number of steps you want to take each day and make sure you hit it. And the second way, which takes a bit more energy, is try to sweat every day. And that can be in the form of any exercise that you like that's going to give you a better chance of making sure you hit that goal of sweating every day. If you apply those things in the 3 exercises I'm going to show you right now, you'll be on your way to looking younger and a little lighter under here. In order to help you with some of the diet changes, look in the description after you watch this video. I'm going to leave a link to an anti-inflammatory shopping list that's going to get you started on choosing better foods that's going to allow you to restrict your calories so you can start to lose some weight that will help reduce that neck fat or that double chin. And an added bonus to these exercises, this study here showed that fat infiltration into those muscles actually cause a loss of cervical lordosis, and as well it can cause cervical spine functional disability. So you're going to get the added benefit of better posture, better cervical spinal function, and hopefully a little bit less weight right here. This may go without saying, but if any of these exercises cause any discomfort in your neck, please stop immediately and ask your healthcare provider if they're appropriate for you. Take a minute, pause the video, grab a small towel, any type of ball you have, because I want you to stand up and do these with me. So pause the video, go grab these and come back. Okay, for the first exercise, we're going to do a towel squeeze. Very simply, take a towel, or if you have a ball. The point of this first exercise, we call it the towel squeeze, the ball squeeze. It's to hold the object from falling. That's why I want you up on your feet. And squeeze down. And hold for 5 seconds, and release. Same thing with the ball. Take the ball, squeeze into the ball, hold for 5 seconds, and release. You should start to feel that along the front part of your neck, probably deeper inside the neck as well, some of you might feel. And for the next level of this exercise, I want you to take your tongue and push it to the hard palate or the roof of your mouth while you're performing it. In fact, do this right now. Take your tongue and push it to the roof of your mouth while putting your fingers underneath your jaw or mandible, and you'll feel those muscles right here fire. So adding that element by pushing your tongue to the roof of your mouth, you're gonna fire the muscles underneath your chin. When you squeeze down on the ball or the towel, you're gonna fire the muscles in your neck. It's a great addition to the exercise to make it a bit more difficult and work those muscles that much harder. Squeeze. Now squeeze your tongue, or push your tongue, sorry, to the roof of your mouth. Hold for 5. And rest. Don't worry about the reps and sets yet. I'm going to summarize this later in the video to make it easy for you so you have a plan of action so you can start getting the results immediately. So now we're on the floor for exercise 2. So move to the floor with me. While you're doing that, if you like this video, maybe you'll give some support by showing a thumbs up. And if you're new to our channel, maybe you'll consider subscribing so you can be informed when I upload a new video. For this one, we're just going to go right to our back. Very simple, lie down, relaxed, hands on our chest or stomach. We're gonna tuck our chin and push our head back against the floor, and then we're gonna raise up about an inch. And we're gonna hold. Start with 5 to 10 seconds. And then come down. Relax. Same thing, we're gonna tuck our chin, push it into the floor, and then lift our head about an inch off the floor. Some of you might start to feel that burn, and it might be very difficult for some of you. I want you to note how difficult that is for you. See how long you can hold it. I'm gonna tell you shortly how long you should be able to hold that for to know if these muscles are strong or weak. Super important to make your neck stronger, better posture, less headaches and neck pain, but also for trying to really strengthen the muscles and increase blood flow to the front of our necks. Okay, we're back up again, and finally for exercise number 3. You can do this one seated or standing. I'm gonna do this seated right now, but you could choose to do this standing if you'd like. So for this exercise, it's really important you pull your shoulders back to engage your rhomboids, just to keep your posture in good shape. Because one thing we know is that when you are slouched forward, it makes this part of your neck or your double chin, it makes it actually bigger or more protruding when your posture is bad. So fixing your posture is also gonna help with the aesthetics of what your neck will look like. So we pull our shoulders back. Now we're gonna extend our head and we're gonna chin tuck back. So oftentimes people will chin tuck and they'll chin tuck down, but what does that do? That makes it worse. So we wanna actually do the opposite. We're gonna come back, slightly extend our head and pull down back. And hold for 5 and then relax. Extend, pull back like a turtleneck and hold for 5. Remember, not like this. We don't want to bunch this up. We're going to open it up and hold. As promised, here is your summary. This is to be done daily. The towel or ball squeeze, you're going to hold that position for 5 seconds for 10 repetitions and try to do that twice daily. The neck flexor endurance, this is something you're going to do daily as well. The goal here should be holding that position for 30 to 40 seconds. If you're unable to do that, then you definitely need to increase the strength of your deep cervical flexors. Work to your tolerance. That might involve holding the position for 5, 10, or 15 seconds for multiple reps until you're able to hold it for 2 to 3 sets for 30 to 40 seconds at a time. The chin tuck with extension, the most important part here is that you're not looking down, that you're extending your head slightly and then chin tucking on an angle in order to keep the front of your neck opened up. And not to forget how important exercise and dietary changes are to help you lose overall body weight and fat. And as a reminder, check out the link in the description below so you can download my anti-inflammatory shopping list. I can't wait to hear about your results. If you have any questions, put them in the comment section below and I'll be sure to answer them. If you have an idea for your future video, put that down there as well. That is where I get all my ideas to present information that you want. And if you're new to my channel, I hope you'll consider subscribing so you can be informed when I upload a new video. Thanks again for watching. I can't wait to see you on my next video. Until then, stay well.